What if the secret to your glowing skin isn't another product, but how you apply your skincare? What if your routine could actually ease your anxiety and become a moment of peace? What if you can change your whole nervous system just by your skincare? Today we are turning your skincare from a task and a to-do list into a mindful ritual. You learn a new approach for calmer mind and radiant skin that comes with it. By the way, there's some work going on outside, so I'm sorry if you hear some noises. So first of all, the why. Stress shows on your face because of the mind-skin connection. When you stress, your level of cortisol, the stress hormones, rise. And chronically high cortisol weakens your barrier support, causing breakouts, inflammation, dullness, and just premature aging of your skin. And mindfulness, I'm sure you all heard that. It's a practice of basically being fully present. It's this try not to think about to be in the past and try not to plan the future, but actually paying attention to what's going on here and now. I know it's can be challenging, but it tells your body's stress response to relax. It lowering those damaging cortisol level. By making your skincare mindful, you apply good ingredients externally while breaking your internal stress cycle. You get a good healthy skin barrier and a calm mind, which is the foundation of a radiant glow. Okay, sounds good, but how you actually turn your skincare routine into a ritual? So it's about intentions and slowing down. Your goal isn't perfection, it's a progress, a practice. So the first step, you create your little sanctuary. You wanna create the sphere, create the atmosphere. So the first thing, phone down. It's time for you. Unless you use it for your music, then just like put it on flight mode or do not disturb or something like that. Engage your senses. If you can, dim the strong light and light on a candle, maybe with a nice relaxing scent like lavender or chamomile, or use an oil diffuser, same idea. Scent has a direct connection, direct line to your brain's emotional center. And finally, choose, like I said, maybe a music, like a very relaxing one without lyrics, something that it's, calming and that you like. Speaking of calming smells and scents, there's such a personal and powerful part of any ritual. So for me, I love the gentleness of chamomile, for example, and lavender. What's yours favorite scent to unwind? I'm very curious, so you can drop it in the comment below and let me know. The second step, let's say we are in the evening, so we want to do a mindful cleansing. Think of cleansing your skin as washing away the days and all this mental chatter and clutter. So first thing starts with like 3 slow deep breaths to calm down your nervous system. As you get your cleanser, just pause for a second and try to notice the texture, if there is a smell or not, and gently massage it into your skin, and not super violent and punishing your skin. And allow your jaws to relax, your brows area to relax. As you wash it off, notice the temperature of the water and really imagine you washing away the day. Pat your skin dry a little bit and in this way, you created this clean slate where you pay attention to it. So again, we don't want to rub and rush and rush. We want to be present, mindful. The third step is intention application and the power of touch. Now, intention application. The key is slow, gentle touch. Apply your beautiful essence with your palms, pressing into your skin. Here we go. I'm sorry, the noise outside. And then your serums and moisturizer. Give yourself a mini face massage. Like warm it a little bit in your fingertips and use slow upward movement to boost circulation. You can use your knuckles, to gently glide along your jawline to release any tension in your jawline, and maybe tap with your fingers like around your eyes and on your forehead, the spot here between your eyebrows. Keep breathing deeply and try to be in the moment. Feel this touch as a form of meditation. Step 4 is like a bonus. Before you finish, take a final moment, look at the mirror with kindness and not judgment. Place your hand on your heart and take like a deep breath and really try to feel gratitude. Grateful for yourself to taking the time for yourself, for you, to take care of the skin, and like really feel this gratitude and know that you are worthy of your self-care. This little bonus step shifts your perspective from criticizing yourself in the mirror to compassion and self-love. So to sum it up, when you shift your mindset from core and to-do list to a ritual, skincare becomes a way of manage your body's stress responses. By being intentional, you tell your body and your nervous system it's time to rest, it's time to repair. When you lower the cortisol, you again signal your skin it's healing time. And the radiant you're chasing isn't because you are rushing and putting 7,000 products on your skin. It's in these quiet moments of self-care. The transformation begins when you decide that you're worthy of slowing down. Now, if you find this little guide helpful, you are welcome to like and subscribe for more holistic skincare tips. And you're also very welcome to come and visit me in the salons in Amsterdam and Amstelveen and experience this whole mind-body connection, skin healing, glowing time for yourself.